Hello, Prof. My name is Shu Junyang. We are the Bright Future team, and today's presentation focuses on the strategic management analysis of tech analytics acquisition of Technova. In this project, we explored an important strategic decision. Tech analytics should acquire Technova because it achieved the best balance in terms of profitability, strategic alignment, financial security, and future growth potential. First, let me briefly introduce the topic of the presentation. It's clear. We first compare the situations of three companies, then explain why Technova is the best choice, and finally show how tech analytics can help the acquisition succeed. Why is this merging so important? In the current technology market, enterprises are facing rapid changes. Cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and data analysis have become increasingly crucial for many enterprises. If tech analytics wants to grow rapidly, it cannot develop all the technologies or enter every market alone. Through mergers, it can obtain mature technologies, existing customers, and professional talents more quickly. Next, let's look at the three main targets. Technova focuses on enterprise digital solutions with main businesses including customized business software and cybersecurity services. Cloudsphere focuses on cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and advanced data analysis. NetBridge provides IT infrastructure, managed network services, and other related services to government and enterprise customers. Therefore, from the very beginning, we could see that each company has its own value. But Technova is more balanced, not only profitable, but also aligns with tech analytics, enterprise digital solution direction. At the same time, Technova's return is only mostly 1%, but much lower than the other two companies. Its cash reserve is approximately $42.5 million, and its operating profits is approximately $40.2 million. These data indicate that Technova is more financially stable and has low acquisition risks. Okay, thank you.
Next, I will continue with the strategy analysis. First, let's look at the company size and profit. From the revenue chart, Cloudsphere has the highest revenue. If we only look at the revenue, Cloudsphere seems to be the biggest company. However, revenue alone is not enough to make an acquisition decision. Look at the net profit margin. Technova performs the best. Its net profit margin is 44.42%, much higher than Cloudsphere and NetBridge. This means Technova is much better at turning sales into profit. Next, let's look at the financial risks and stability. Technova has the lowest debt ratio, which means it has least financial pressure. This is good for tech analytics because the acquisition will not add too much debt. Technova also has the highest cash reserve, about $42.5 million. Next, I will talk about the external environment. We use the pastoral models and protest file forces models to understand this industry. From the pastoral models, more companies are spending more on digital tools. Customers want online safe and reliable service. Cloud computation, AI, cybersecurity, automation, and data analysis are growing quickly. At the same time, data protection and cybersecurity allows creating large risks. Porter's file forces show that competition is very strong. There are many companies. Customers have many choices. Skilled IT workers are expensive, and companies can also use in-house IT terms and standard code platforms. Finally, let's look at the SWOT analysis. Technova has many strengths. It has a good B2B reputation, high profits, strong cash receiver, customers software development, cloud surveillance, and strong cybersecurity. Its weaknesses are limited e-commerce business and having dependence on business customers. However, this can become future opportunities. After the acquisition, Tech Analytics can help Technova development as SaaS service, e-commerce solution, cybersecurity productions, and AI-based solutions. Overall, Technova's strengths and opportunities are much greater than its weaknesses and threats. Therefore, Technova is the best acquisition target.
Good morning, professors and classmates. I will introduce our strategic plan after Technova acquires Tech Analytics. So our strategy has 3 layers. On the compare side, we carry out the related campaign. At the business level, we create the unique digital solutions to beat the other competitors. For the future growth, we will launch SaaS security packages and develop the Southeast Asia market. So these 2 firms have the complementary strengths. Tech Analytics owns data analysis technology and clean resources, while Technova provide the software, cloud, and cybersecurity services. And the core idea is that we acquire the company for available technical abilities, not only the short-term income. Okay, so we put forward 3 practical growth plans. Firstly, we cross-sell products to extending customers. Secondly, we create combined digital products with AI functions. Thirdly, we expand our business in South Asia, and our target is to turn one-time custom to the project into the reusable SaaS platform. Okay, so sorry. Okay, 3 strategies create extra value to build in data analysis tools, fully secure cloud system, and standardized the subscription services. Our main goal is to build a more competitive solution platform instead of one single simply making the company larger. Okay, thank you for listening.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Zheng Yu. I will talk about the implementation part. About the authorization, Tech announced Tech should not change Technova too quickly. Technova is valuable because it already has many B2B customers, a good engineering team, cloud service ability, and by security service. If Tech announced Tech change everything at once, employees may feel worried. A customer may lose trust, and the Technova's value may be reduced. So we suggest a step-by-step implementation plan. The first stage is from 0 to 3 months. The main idea is sustainability. Announced Tech should keep the Technova brand, keep important customers, and keep cool engineer. At the stage, the most important thing is to make employees and the customer feel safe. The second stage is from 3 to 9 months. The focus is integration. Announced Tech can connect the customer system, financial reports, project standards, and customer service process. They can help the two companies work together better, but it should not affect the correct project. The third stage is from 9 to 18 months. The focus is growth. Announced Tech and Technova can launch SaaS service in commerce packet and served by security public product. They can help Technova create new business income. The final stage is after 18 months. The focus is regional growth. Announced Tech can help Technova find partner in Southeast Asia and provide service support. They can help the company enter more market and grow in the long term. Next, we also need strategic control. The success of acquisition should not be only be measured by reverse. We need to check different areas. For final, we need to check profit margin, cash flow, debt ratio, and integration cost. For customers, we need to check whether old customers stay and whether cross-selling works. For products, we need to check SaaS progression and served by security income. From operation, we need to check project delivery time and repeated costs. For people, we need to check whether key influence stays, influence turnover and training. For risk, we need to report audit problem and data security problems. Finally, we must manage some risks during implementation. The first risk is people. Announced Tech should keep cool engineers and clearly tell them their future roles. The second risk is culture. We should keep Technova's customers focused culture and also add Announced Tech database decision making. The third risk is finance. Announced Tech should check acquisition cost, integration cost, cash flow, and debt every month. The fourth risk is system. The two companies should connect important systems slowly, but should not change all systems at the same time. To sum up, the best implementation method is gradual and careful. Announced Tech should move slowly enough to protect Technova's will, but also move forward to make the two companies work better together. That's all for my part. Next, Fangsi will talk about the final evolution.
In this section, I will evaluate the 3 acquisition targets and investment projects. The aim is to identify which company can create the strongest and most reliable long-term value for Tech Analytics. We use 5 criteria: strategic fit, financial attractiveness, synergy potential, integration feasible, and long-term value creation. Strategic fit looks at whether the target supports Tech Analytics direction in digital solutions, data analytics, cloud integration, and cybersecurity. Financial attractiveness considers profitability, cash reserves, debt level, and cost efficiency.
Synergy potential measures whether tech analytics can create extra value by combining its data and analytics capability with the target products and customers. Integration feasible focuses on cultural systems, talent, and operations, while long-term value creation focuses on sustainable growth. Based on this framework, Teknova is the most attractive acquisition target because it provides the best balance between strategy, finance, synergy, and risk. Cloudsphere has strong potential in cloud computing, AI, and data analytics, but its profitability is weaker and it depends on specialist talent, increased acquisition risk. NetBridge is a relatively stable infrastructure and managed network service, but its growth potential and scalability are limited. By contrast, Teknova has a stronger investment case. It customized software, cloud integration, and cybersecurity services closely match tech analytics strategic direction. It also has strong profit quality, low financial risk, and clear cross-selling opportunities. Therefore, Teknova offers the best risk-return balance among the three options. The weighted decision score further supports this conclusion. Teknova achieves the highest final score of 4.6, combined with 3.2 for Cloudsphere and 2.9 for NetBridge. This shows that Teknova is the most balanced investment option. Cloudsphere has technical potential, but higher financial and integration risks. NetBridge offers stability, but weaker scalability and strategic contribution. Therefore, our recommendation is to acquire Teknova. It provides the strongest combination of profitability, strategic alignment, synergy value, and manageable risk. Although it is not risk-free, it is the most rational and valuable acquisition target among the three alternatives.
Hello, Professor. My name is Chen Zihao. To conclude, Wolf Group recommends that Tech Analytics should acquire. Teknova has the best financial performance. It has a benefit, strong cash, and very low debt, so it is a safe choice. Second, Teknova matches Tech Analytics' future direction is custom software, cloud integration, and cybersecurity. Third, can help Tech Analytics grow in digital solutions. Third, Teknova also has their growth chance, such as Swiss e-commerce solutions and Southeast Asia expansion. However, the company should integrate too fast. Tech Analytics should protect Teknova's brand and it works first. In short, Teknova is the most balanced choice with careful planning. This acquisition can bring long-term value. Thank you.